DevOps versus platform engineering versus SRE. Which should you learn? DevOps, platform engineering, and site reliability engineering are all critical roles in modern technology teams. They overlap significantly, but they are not the same. DevOps is a culture and a practice. It focuses on collaboration between development and operations teams to deliver software faster and more reliably. A DevOps engineer automates pipelines, manages infrastructure as code, and ensures smooth deployments. Site reliability engineering, or SRE, was pioneered at Google. SREs apply software engineering principles to operations problems. Their primary focus is reliability, uptime, and incident response. They define service-level objectives and work to meet them. Platform engineering is the newest of the three. Platform engineers build internal developer platforms that make it easier for software teams to build, test, and deploy applications. They reduce friction for developers by creating standardized, self-service infrastructure. Think of it this way. DevOps is the philosophy. SRE is the reliability specialization. Platform engineering is the internal product team. If you enjoy automation and deployment, DevOps is your path. If you enjoy reliability and incident engineering, SRE is your path. If you enjoy building tools that other developers use, platform engineering is your path. Learn the fundamentals of all three. Then specialize in the one that excites you most.